my line if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one this time. Override, always on my mind. Not alone, you're here with me.
Yeah.
Welcome to my bathroom. Just put on this sunscreen. I think it's a lot more tinted than I had expected. I'm gonna go check out Mercer Labs in Financial District. It's supposed to be like another one of those cool like immersive experiences, so I'm really excited about that. Yesterday, looking really orange. I feel like a jack-o'-lantern. I'm just getting ready to go meet Yuta where he's getting his haircut. I hate it when things fall into the sink even though I'm the one using it. Mercer Labs was better than expected. I don't know if it's the same company as Planet Labs in Japan, but it had a similar vibe where it was very like immersive. It was a lot bigger than Enter I Am, I would say. They had maybe like 10 different things that you could see. I was kind of scared of that robot because I thought once it started writing, I was like, oh no, it has thoughts, but I'm sure someone programmed it that way. I have this. I'm just gonna see if I can tape down these suckers.
Looks nice. Great haircut.
Thank you.
Before you go off and leave the rest of the movie.
Oh, look at my hair. It looks like a hawk.
You look like a Valkyrie.
Like a warrior?
Yeah, like
Like a
exactly.
Pegasus?
Nice day today.
It is a nice day.
view?
Yes. New Jersey over there. Cute over here. Amazing.
Amazing. First time for me at this Williamsburg Trader Joe's.
Not for me.
Oh. What do you think? I don't like greasier than I expected. How bad though? This is the problem. Like, what's the point? Like, get a hole in the ring? Like, that seems illogical.
You gotta do better than that. Ah. We're just hanging out at McCarran.
Not a very nice day today.
Thank you, bad this.
Just getting ready for Tokyo.
Yeah.
So what did you say? Thank you, Allah.
What?
What did you say? Thank you, what?
Thank you. Thank you, bad.
Oh, bad. Oh wait, did you say bad like actually in Japanese?
I don't know if I learned it yet.
I hate water.
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 Oh, water. Is that why it's Waluigi?
Oh. Oh my god. I'm so glad you got this on video. I am just now realizing that's literally why.
Back in Chinatown.
And we're back.
Go get some dim sum, I believe.
Yep.
At a Golden Unicorn. Woohoo!
Oh, it's hot. Yeah, we saw Jennie from Blackpink. That was crazy.
Yeah.
So we were shopping in Soho, and she just happened to be at the same store we were.
Yeah.
And I didn't even recognize it until Jen
Jen
pointed out.
always spots other Jens. We didn't get any pictures or footage because we didn't want to be like really annoying and obnoxious, but also we were just partially like really starstruck, or I was.
Yeah, I was too.
So, but it really elevated our weekend because we were like, oh my god.
Yeah, we saw
Jennie
a celebrity that we
from
actually care about.
Blackpink. Yeah. She was
Yeah,
so
it's cool.
cute. She was really tiny, like way smaller than I thought. So adorbs.
She's still starstruck.
I'm getting my blink hammer right now.
Jen is clearly hyped about Lord of the Rings 7.
Yay! Ida loves it when I do that. We did not see the Northern Lights last night, which is pretty sad, but
Yeah, that was
I don't
sad.
think we ever will be able to in New York.
Yeah, the light pollution is no joke.
No.
No.
Ooh.
I feel like Devil Wears Prada.
Miranda Priestley.
Yeah.
Beautiful day. It's not as cold as we thought.
Yeah, it's actually pretty warm.
I'm sweating.
Yeah. Oh,
It'll be
chillier
cold.
once you get to the water. Yeah.
That's so true.
That's all.
That's all.
Whoa. It's so good. That's really good.
Ooh. Little price.
It's cool that they make this in house every day. That's so cool. Yeah, this is the vibe. Sorry, y'all. We're gatekeeping this one.
Taking up the whole table, okay. You can do it with one hand?
It looks like a brachiosaurus kind
Welcome to our bathroom again. We're getting ready to go to Japan, and I wanted to try this lash lift thing that I got a million years ago. I don't know how to do it. Do I need to apply anything? I think I should have cut it. Oh no. Oh, sliding off. Don't apply too much. I don't know how much is too much. This sucks. I get this shit off now. I wiped it off. That was my nightmare from hell. Whatever. Bye.